In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star mail in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly mark important emails so they're easy to find later, and how to remove a star if you change your mind. First, open a web browser and go to Gmail. The fastest way is to type mail.google.com into the address bar. You can also search for Gmail and click the official link. If you're already signed in, your inbox will load right away. If you see the account chooser screen, click your existing Google account to continue. This is the tile that represents the account you've used before in this browser. If you don't see your account listed, select the option to use a different account and proceed from there. Now follow the on-screen prompts to log in, enter your email address and continue, then add your password. If you use two-step verification, complete that confirmation as well. These prompts can vary slightly depending on your security settings, so just continue until your inbox appears. If you ever get stuck, double check that you've entered your details correctly and that you're on the official Gmail site. With your inbox open, let's star an email. Look at the left side of any message in the list right next to the sender's name. You'll see a small star icon. Click that star once. It should light up, usually turning yellow or gold, indicating the email is now starred. This is a simple way to flag an email you want to revisit, whether it's a receipt, an approval, or a message you need to reply to later. If you decide you no longer need that email starred, click the same star again. It will turn back to its unstarred state, and the message will no longer be marked as important. A few helpful tips to make starring even more useful. Starred emails automatically appear in the starred section on the left panel, so you can find them in one place without scrolling through your inbox. You can also search for starred messages by typing is starred in the Gmail search bar. If you like visual organization, Gmail supports multiple star styles, such as different colors and icons, which you can enable in settings under the stars section. And for a faster workflow on desktop, the S key will toggle a star when keyboard shortcuts are turned on in Gmail settings. Finally, starred status syncs across devices, so if you star something on your computer, you'll see it starred on your phone too. That's it. Open Gmail, sign in, click the star to mark an email, and click again to remove it. Simple, quick, and effective.